This video illustrates how to add, edit or cancel subscriptions. So when you log in to the data analytics section of our website, you are redirected to the user settings page where there's a subscription section which you can use to add, edit or cancel subscriptions. To add a subscription to your account, you just click the plus icon. At the moment there will be a message that there's only one subscription available. That's because we've only released the management accounts product and not anything else yet. But as soon as other subscription options become available, you would encounter more options here. Then you can also edit your subscription by clicking the gear icon. There will be a link at the top of the page which will enable you to update your card details in either PayFast for local transactions or Stripe for international transactions. So we don't retain any card details in our databases. We use the 100% secure card processing entities to maintain card details and to manage the subscription renewal process. So you just click that link and then change your card details if that's required. The next section will show you what subscription options there are available for the selected product. At the moment, the management accounts product has a few different options available based on the number of profiles that you need. Each business that you produce management accounts for basically needs their own profile. So if you need more profiles, you select an option with more profiles included in the price from this list box over here. There's also, it will show you what your current account option is. So if you select this list box, then it will give you all the other options available. So that's, you're just going to select that and press the submit button. Then that will send our admin function an email to attend to the upgrade or downgrade. They will do so, and then they will be in touch to let you know when the process has been completed. The other option is to cancel your subscription, and you just click the trash icon here. That will basically tell you that you're about to cancel that selected subscription. It also states that subscriptions will only be cancelled or will be cancelled with immediate effect, but there will be no refund for the remaining period. All future payments will basically be cancelled, but we don't issue refunds for proportional periods. So if your subscription runs for a calendar month and you cancel on the 5th of the month, you will not get a refund for the unused days up to the end of the month. So if you want to keep using your subscription and cancel at the end of the month, then you can just do the cancellation on the last day of the month. And it will still be cancelled with immediate effect, even if your subscription renewal will go through on the next day. So you just proceed there, and that will enable you to cancel. And that's basically it for subscriptions.